In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect WordPress forms to Bitrix24. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your dashboard. You want to go to the top here next to where it says Bitrix24 and you want to click on the search box. And then you want to type in applications. So just type in applications. Just like this, as you can see, it's going to pop up all applications and you want to click on that. So to connect WordPress forms here, you're going to go to your market, so Bitrix24 market, where they have a lot of different apps. You want to go to the top and you want to search for WordPress forms, okay? Just like this, type in WordPress forms, and there we go. You'll see the integration is going to be up top. WordPress forms integration, you want to click on that. It's free, as you can see. And then from here, you simply want to click on the install button. And then, of course, here, you can select these things if you agree. Of course, you must have to read these things. And if you actually agree with them, you can go ahead and basically click here and then click on install. You also saw the permissions you're giving it. And there we go. As you can see, you can now find this where it says over here. You can find it inside applications tab in your Bitrix24's main menu, okay? So I'm gonna click on open the app right now. It's going to open up directly, and there we go. It's going to start loading the WordPress forms integration, okay? So that's essentially how to do this, and yeah, it's literally that simple. So if I go back over here and out of here, you'll find it inside applications down here. There we go. You'll see whenever you refresh, there's going to be the WordPress forms in there, okay? So let me actually refresh this. There we go. At the bottom, applications, WordPress is over here. If I click on it, I'll open up WordPress forms. That's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.